Hi guys, Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you for taking the time to check out our channel where we're all about bathrooms, and in today's video just thought I'd show you around a little ensuite we've just finished. Let's take a look at it. So guys, if you're new to the video, please do consider subscribing and we'll take a look at this little ensuite. So we've fully tiled everything, as you can see. We put a little low profile tray in there with a nice bifolding door. It's a bit wet because I've just tested the shower, so I think that really works well in there. Nice Aqualesia quartz off the wall with a separate fixed head. I think that looks really smart in there. Little corner basket in there and nice little dinky alcove in there. I made a video on this actual alcove, how to install it. The link is here. Bing bong, bing bong. So yeah, that's the showering area, really nice. Basin is a really nice 500 2-drawer in a sort of matte grey. That works really well. Wall hung, obviously. And then we've got a Hib demister mirror with I think optional colours in there. You can hold the button down and it'll change the colours from a warm white to a sort of blue light like that. So that's pretty cool. Little towel rail. On this occasion it's just full electric, no central heating going to that. We got a nice little box section here with a back to wall pan, dual flush on the wall there, which I think looks really smart. We just sort of boxed this section out and all fully tiled in there. And then the floor is a clip floor Carndine lime washed oak. I think that looks really smart. Our standard LED downlights, new extractor in there, and yeah, that's it basically. So I think that's come out really well. Some nice little ideas there for a very small ensuite, but it still feels very spacious in here, even with this basin. I've got a lot of space where I can just sit on the loo, can load a neat room here, not conflicted, and a nice walkway out onto the door and into our shower enclosure. So very, very nice. Yeah. Okay guys, just a really quick one today, taking you through all this. Give us a subscribe and like if you fancy doing that, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.